Wow, we're walking along the Malecon now, and the guys here are super friendly. If you want to do a tour, a hotel tour or a timeshare tour, just be prepared. You're going to get meet some really mega hot salespeople. Yeah. So just remember that. Super friendly. We're not interested. We're not doing any of it for now. We're going to take the local bus. We're going to just make our own way around and stay away from the crazy busy areas. Apparently this is a nice quiet area today, and it's going to be busy tomorrow when the cruise ship comes in. So we're just going to have a nice day, and maybe we're going to go and visit Boceria tomorrow. Take the local bus, maybe, I don't know, $2 or $3. It's not far. We'll let you know. Yeah. Gracias.
Una regadera para cortar carne.
This is amazing. 30 minutes from the city too.
we're in Zona Romantica, and it's getting a little bit noisier, a little bit more busy.
Flat PTSD.
Really nice looking restaurants here. Wow, the place looks really spectacular. Got the little fish there, the skin in the fish tank there. We're just coming up to the little pier. Whole slew of activities to go on. Oh yeah. No, thank you, sir. Very busy. Where we are, there's a lot of rocks on the beach, so it's harder to get in and enjoy the swim because you're going to bang your toes on a rock. This beach looks nice and sandy and not too deep. Hola.
Hola.
So the buses vary from sort of nice and modern like this one to quite old, but there's plenty of them along. You just look at the front, work out where you want to go and jump on. They're about 10 pesos per ride, so it's very cheap. You just pay one price, and as soon as you get off, that's the end of your ticket. So you can go right to the end of the line, no worries whatsoever.